Cars coming out now for practice session number 2 for race 2, a 10-lap scratch race, and a total of some 25 cars coming out for this practice session in dry, warm, sunny conditions. It's very pleasant here at Mallory Park this morning. Here we see the Allard K2 of Kerry Horan. Kerry comes from Studley and is entered by DG Motorsport. 39, Brian Cakebread from Wargrave in the MGB Roadster. '73, Chris Clegg in the DB4, and on his inside there, number 48, Nick Linney in the Lister Nobly. Nick was fastest in practice overall with a time of 56.54. That's a speed of 85.96. Number 15 going through there, that's Karen Lyne in the Riley Special. Natasha Bell going through there, number 85 in her Roadster, having a bit of a moment. Number 60 going through there, Graham Ball in the DB4. And number 2 going through there, David Reed. He was third fastest in the Aston Martin DB2 with a time of 58.92. That's a speed of 82.48. Another shot there of Chris Clegg from London. Edwin Driver in the TR2. Another shot there of David Reed, who comes from Andover. Nick Linney again, followed through by Karen Lyne. Another shot there of David Reed. Number 11 going through there, that's Andy Bell in the Aston Martin two-seater Sports. Another shot there of Brian Cakebread. Number 30 going through there, that's Richard Lyne. He's driving a GSM Delta. First lap out of Gerrard's, and it's a good start by David Reed to lead Andy Bell. Third is Edward Driver, then it's Chris Clegg, Graham Ball, Brian Cakebread and Russ Taylor, and the rest of the pack. Here's the cars starting on 15 seconds, and it's Nick Linney in the lead from Bruce Montgomery. Third is Kerry Horan, then it's Kevin New, Brian Ashby and Andrew Shriver. Second lap out of Gerrard's, and it's still David Reed from Andy Bell, Edward Driver. Here we see Chris Clegg in 4th place, followed through by Graham Ball, Brian Cakebread and Russ Taylor in the MGA. Shot here of Karen Lyne, Roger Lucas and number 1 Bob White. And coming through on their inside are the leaders of the Thoroughbred Sports, led now by Bruce Montgomery. Here's the leader on his 3rd lap.
I must say, that
Followed through by Andy Bell and Edwin Driver. Here's the thoroughbred cars coming through. It's still Bruce Montgomery from Nick Linney and Kevin New going through there. Kevin driving the Regio Mark IV. There we see a shot of Roger Lucas, and on his inside Brian Ashby. Here we see a shot there of Chris Clegg and Brian Cakepred, and they've lost it. Russ Taylor's missed them and gone through, so he's made up 2 places. There's a shot of Kerry Horan. Number 4 going through there, that's Keith Piper in the Aston Martin International. Here we see Graham Ball in 4th place now, followed through by Russ Taylor up into 5th. We're waiting now for the thoroughbreds. There's Bruce Montgomery, who still leads the thoroughbreds. There we see Bob White and Karen Lyne, followed through by Richard Lyne. There we see Bruce Montgomery again. Leaders are on their 6th lap now. A shot there of Kerry Horan in Allard K2. That's a DB4. Here's another shot of Kerry Horan. And here comes the leader on his 8th lap. David Reed still leading from Andy Bell. And Edwin Driver. Here we see Karen Lyne. She's followed through by Nick Linney, Roger Lucas and Bob White. Kerry Horan again. And number 31, Brian Ashby in the Lola Mark 1. Followed through by number 6, Andrew Shriver. Here we see Edwin Driver, followed through by Bruce Montgomery now up into 4th place.